Click on the link below to get price. The 4,500 square foot Smart Dehumidifier is an impressive solution for anyone struggling with excess humidity in medium to large spaces. This device is particularly beneficial for basements, large living areas, or even entire homes. With a capacity to handle 4,500 square feet, it efficiently removes moisture, helping to prevent mold, mildew, and dust mites, making your environment both healthier and more comfortable. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its programmable humidity settings. Users can set their desired humidity levels easily, and the unit will automatically turn on or off to maintain those levels, which enhances energy efficiency. The digital display is intuitive, making it user-friendly for all ages. Additionally, the built-in hygrometer accurately measures the room's humidity, allowing for precise adjustments. The 2.25-gallon reservoir is another major advantage. It has a generous capacity, reducing the frequency of emptying, which is a major convenience for busy households. For those who want a more hands-off experience, the dehumidifier also features a continuous drainage option, allowing for direct water drainage via a hose. This is particularly useful in areas that experience consistently high humidity levels. Noise levels are another point of concern with many dehumidifiers, but this model operates quietly, making it suitable for bedrooms or offices. It operates at a reasonable decibel level, ensuring it doesn't disrupt daily activities or sleep. In terms of design, the dehumidifier is sleek and modern, fitting well with various interior decors. Its portability, thanks to built-in wheels and a lightweight structure, allows for easy movement from room to room as needed. Overall, the 4,500 square foot Smart Dehumidifier is a versatile and highly effective appliance that offers excellent performance, user-friendly features, and reliable results. It's an investment in comfort and health that will surely pay off for those dealing with humidity issues.